Welcome to Absolute Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico.
And I'm Hedda, and today I'm gonna show you how to make the classic espresso martini.
Ooh, taste it. Absolut Vodka, come straight through and elevating all the flavors there just to make everything taste more. And the Kahlúa right there, the coffee liqueur, gives it almost a chocolatey note, which is real delicious.
Perfect like after dinner cocktail. Let's start with small shaker first.
Okay.
And gonna start with the coffee, and as you can see, the creaminess in this coffee.
Good coffee.
So be careful, this is very, very hot.
Yeah.
So hold the bottom. So I'm gonna pour 25 mils.
Okay, nice. So Hedda, do you think you could use instant coffee for this?
You can, but you have to make sure to shake really, really hard.
Good, thank you. What's next then?
The coffee liqueur, Kahlúa.
Okay.
Add the same amount, 25 mils.
Okay. Is this as hot as the coffee?
No, we're gonna add some Absolut Original.
Original Absolut Vodka, brand new bottle, looking fantastic. Just want to get that one in there. Super nice.
Do you know the magic number?
45.
45 mils.
Nice. Sorry guys, this is annoying.
All right, so we're gonna ice this shaker up and make sure to ice all the way up.
What's next, Bruce?
Let's shake these ones.
Okay. Let's do it. Oh, now that is what you're looking for. Good big froth, good bubbles. You know we've made it good when that happens.
We also want to double strain this cocktail because we don't want the small ice pieces floating around in the drink.
You know.
Look at that.
So you always know that you're shaking it right just by this type of like gradation.
Exactly.
Like a good stout, really. It should slowly grade up and then end up just having a nice cut-off line like that.
But we're not done yet.
I know what you're gonna do. The guys at home already know. I got a big old gap, and these rattle around and get stuck. I don't have that natural filter of front teeth like most people.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna garnish with one in the middle.
And I'm gonna go naked.
Or you can also smash the coffee bean like this and put on top.
Nice.
Should we try it?
We can. Let's go for it. Ooh-wee.
So it's a very sweet flavor of coffee together with Absolut Vodka in it. Balance very well together. A lot of flavors. Stays very long.
And you know what, guys? If you don't have martini glasses, just make it in a rocks glass. Make it in a coffee mug if you want. It does not matter, because it's your drink and it's how you want to drink it at home. The Espresso Martini, guys.
Yummy.